Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Simon Says Let's Cook. Today we are going to make fish gravy. This I am making it white pomfret. So let's get started. So let's keep a earthen pot. So fish gravy, when you make fish gravy, try to use earthen pot. It tastes very good in that. So I've added some oil. Oil you can use, actually it tastes very good with coconut oil, but you can use oil of your choice. And I've added, when it is slightly hot, let's add some mustard seeds and some methi dana. Let it splutter. Now the mustard is spluttering, the methi, also the fenugreek seeds are also slightly toasted. Let's add the onions. I have taken 2 medium-sized onions here. We'll add the onions and the curry leaves. Let's mix it, fry it for a couple of minutes, and we can also add the green chilies. I've taken 3-4 green chilies. You can put according to your taste. So we have to, fry it like not very well done, but maybe half fry. It doesn't have to be completely fried. Now I'm adding a spoon of ginger garlic paste. You can even add it crushed or cut. So the ginger garlic is fried and I don't get the raw smell anymore. So we will add some turmeric, 2 spoons of coriander powder and 1 spoon of chili powder. And let's fry it for a couple of minutes. Now we add the souring agent. So I have some Kerala tamarind which I've soaked in water here, and you can add tamarind or lime juice. Give it a good mix. So let's add some salt to taste. So you see the oil is separated, it's all mixed nicely. Now let's add some coconut milk. This is optional, you can make it without coconut milk also. Now we can, check for salt and the sourness and let it boil. Once it boils, we can add the fish pieces. So I have some cleaned and washed white pomfrets here, which is cut like this. And this is a good fish to make this gravy. So the gravy is nicely boiling. Now let's put the fish pieces one by one. Now let's make sure that all the fish is in the gravy and leave it in the high flame for a few minutes, maybe 2-3 minutes, and then we can put the flame less and cook it for 5-10 minutes. So the fish has been boiling for 5-6 minutes on slow flame, and because these are very delicate fish and it cooks very quickly, so it's done. Now we can plate it up. So let's garnish it with some curry leaves and serve it with white rice, appam. You can eat it with roti and bread also, different varieties of bread. Just let it rest for 2 hours so that the all the flavors sweep in into the fish, and the gravy also gets the fish flavor. So do try this at home. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.